couldn't go to school today, I figured it's cold outside and I'm not about getting sick over and over and over again. Yeah. So we're coming with another DIY. What are we making?
Play-dohs.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Every mother's worst nightmare, other than slime, is Play-Doh.
Okay. Hi.
Because
my name is Spooky.
that shit just gets everywhere. I mean, everywhere.
Yeah.
He stuck it to the carpet. He stuck it to the wall.
I'll put your hand in it.
So, here's the ingredients. So, we've got flour. We've got warm water, some salt, oil, and a tablespoon.
I got this.
And this is my mixer here. So, let me sit you guys down and we'll get everything together. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is scoop 4 tablespoons of flour into this bowl here so he can put it in the bigger bowl.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do that now. Excuse me.
Okay, I'm excusing you.
1.
I'm just trying to do that.
2. Excuse me.
Okay.
2.
Whoa.
3.
Hey, I was doing that first.
4. You are a disgusting child.
Yeah, I am disgusting.
What did you do?
Fight.
Ew.
Hey.
You know, only my child gets excited when he farts. I legit let me sit you folks down. He gets excited to fart.
I did fight.
You did?
Yeah.
And 2 tablespoons of salt. So we're just gonna add this into this bowl here so he doesn't.
Can I help you?
Yes. So he doesn't spill it everywhere.
Okay. Oh, you will.
Let me get a transparent bowl. That way you guys can see everything. It's a big ass measuring cup. Thanks to my husband's friend.
Can I help you?
Yes, you may. Okay, go ahead. So he's gonna add the flour first.
Well, I'm okay.
Hold on, Lucky. He's standing on the chair, so. Good job. Okay. And then he's gonna add the salt.
Yeah.
Okay, stack it on the blue bowl. And he's just gonna mix it.
Did you guys it's done?
Okay. Hey, you guys, I wish we did much funner things throughout the day.
I got this.
Like go to the stores, but I haven't really learned too much. You don't belong doing that.
Oh, my eyes.
Good for you. He wants to blow his face into the flour.
Yeah.
Into this right here. This big flour. He just blew in it and got flour all in his eye.
Yeah.
That's how kids learn. Next time you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it again?
No.
I didn't think so.
What happened to my eye?
And then in this one we've got warm water.
And I'm dumping in. Can I stir it?
And we are gonna add, excuse me, not touching please. Exactly. Why I told you stop touching. No, stop touching.
Okay.
You're not. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil.
Can I help you?
Do you need to shishi?
No.
Go make shishi.
No, I don't need to.
You doing the shishi dance.
I don't need to.
Okay, we're gonna add the oil.
Can I help you?
Mommy will do this part. This one gets a little bit messy, okay? Mommy will do this part.
Oh, but I want to do that. Can I help you?
And then we're gonna add the color. So I'm gonna do 3 drops first.
Please, can I help you? No, please, can I help you?
Guys, I should have added the food coloring before the oil, huh?
Please, can I help you?
You are gonna help me. You need to just hold on 1 second.
I'm going to use this big one.
Yes, you are. So what Lukey's gonna do is he's gonna help me slowly add the water, oil. Okay. And now we are going to mix it. Mommy mix first, okay, honey?
After me.
Mommy will mix first.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this Play-Doh. Look at this Play-Doh. Oh, I am so sorry.
You're fine.
Okay.
And this is where you can really let your child get messy. Okay, use your hands to mix it.
Okay.
Wait. Let's roll up your sleeves.
Okay.
Roll it up.
Roll it down.
Roll it up. Other hand.
Roll it down.
Roll it up.
Oh, okay.
Roll it up. Okay. Go ahead and just start mixing. Mix it with your hands. No, with your hands, honey. Are you a boy or what? Come on, mix it. Get dirty.
Okay.
Gotta mix it like this, like that. Get it all in your hands, like that. Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to do it.
Okay, you do it. And I just do a little of the wet ingredient at a time.
Look at the sand.
Go to have like
look at my hands so dirty.
Hey, not everywhere. Don't do that.
Look at my hands.
Until they all stick together.
Not mixing.
No, we're not gonna mix it with that anymore.
Please.
We're gonna add a little bit more.
Please.
And if you find that you put too much, just add more flour. There's nothing wrong with adding more flour.
Can I serve it now?
Not yet.
Okay, I should hold it.
You can hold it. I didn't say you couldn't.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And I'm gonna move this bowl aside.
Hey, where do you put it?
Hey, excuse me. And then what I'm gonna do to my counter is just flour it a little and
Can I help you?
kind of just
Can I help you?
knead it.
Can I help you?
Yeah, knead it, Lukey.
Okay.
Go. Knead it.
Okay. Look at this. This is so cool. Let's squish it. Yeah?
So do you like school?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do in school?
And inside toys.
You play with toys?
Yeah. Can I do it now?
Wait, Mommy needs to help you so it can turn into Play-Doh, honey.
Yeah. Can I help you now? Please.
Okay, guys, and here it is. His Play-Doh.
Yes.
Have a blast.
Oh, what's this Play-Doh? It just ripped. Making my Play-Doh, 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 Play-Doh. Play-Doh, 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 Play-Doh.
Hey, back up.
Okay. Can I bring it up, boy?
No, it's too cold outside, honey.
Huh?
It's too cold.
Huh?
Too cold.
Now hold it.
Yes.
Can I break it? Not break it. Not try it. Not even try it.
Can Mommy have fun too, or what? Selfish child.
Look at this.
And then probably later on tonight, we'll probably take you on what we make for dinner.
Slimes.
We're not making that for dinner. We're gonna make hamburger.
No, French fries.
Hamburger, French fries, and rice.
No, French fries.
This boy loves his French fries.
Ah.
Shall we do a cooking show with everybody?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I just got to make a point.
Yes, you can play with it. Go ahead.
Can I help you? Let's start, Kev. Can I help you?
Oh, and guys, like I said in the other video, I made his little book. So it's just
That's me.
It's just construction paper, you know, different colors in the book. And all I did was sew it shut. That way he can have a book. I know it's not the straightest line,
Yeah,
guys.
I can have a book.
And then in this he'll draw, or he'll do his dinosaur stamps and stuff like that. So I'll do another video, or probably in this video.
Can you make a ball for me?
Is where he'll
ball for me?
show you guys what he does in these little books that I make for him.
Can I mix it, Mommy?
No, we all pound mix, honey.
Oh, is that slimes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then in the next video, we're gonna do with the water, oil, and food coloring. It's like a sensory calming stuff for him because he is autistic. I know it doesn't look like it, but he is high functioning autism. So just something for him to play with and keep him busy. So we'll do that. You want to do that now?
No.
You want to do that in a different video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Yes.
And stay tuned, guys, because my husband is the best, and he's gonna buy me a Cricut Air. So we're gonna do some videos.
Mom.
Hey, mommy's talking. We're gonna do some videos with the Cricut. Make T-shirts, stickers, decorate wine glasses and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. I get to order it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. And can you tell them to like? Can you tell them to like this video? And subscribe to our weird family. And push that notification bell.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start doing a notification gang. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hashtag notification squad, and we'll choose someone from the comments to do a shout out.
Can I put on my cheek?
Go. So that's what we'll do. So please like and subscribe, and tell everyone about our weird loving family. Thank you.
My face stuck.
Say have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Say bye.
Bye.